How to change username on Twitch. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Twitch on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Twitch account. Then click on Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on Profile, here click on Edit Profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Edit Profile at the top right corner of your screen, here simply scroll down and click on Username. After you click on Username, you'll find your username in here. Simply delete the username that you have right now and add a new username you want to change to. After that, press on Save at the top right corner of your screen. After that, your username will be changed. This is how to change username on Twitch. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.